All right, I'm back. I'm back with a quick one. You're looking at a master bedroom, brand new home, with a tankless water heater on the inside of the closet, or in the closet. Now, this is allowed only if this tankless is direct vented, or direct vent to the exterior. I know it's kind of dark, but this is the exhaust duct here, and they still have to come back and connect the intake, but this is allowed to have a gas tankless water heater in the bedroom closet. Only this direct vent. You can't take combustion air from inside of this bedroom. Also, you would also need to have a carbon monoxide detector inside the bedroom as well.